Now you can achieve superior repellency against water, mud, ice, and other liquids on a variety of surfaces around your home with Rust-Oleum NeverWet. NeverWet is a super hydrophobic treatment that causes water droplets to form perfect spheres that roll off surfaces. This patent-pending formula protects treated surfaces from water, corrosion, and damage-causing moisture. With NeverWet, surfaces stay dry and clean, prolonging the life of the item. NeverWet is great for use on wood, aluminum, galvanized metal, PVC, masonry, asphalt, vinyl siding, plastic, and more. Step 1. Apply the base coat. Shake the NeverWet can for 1 minute. Test spray on cardboard to get a feel for the spray pattern. Holding the NeverWet can approximately 6 to 12 inches away from the surface, spray the base coat in 2 light passes, up and down, then left to right. For porous surfaces like concrete, additional coats can be applied. However, it's best to avoid soaking the surface. Wait 30 minutes before applying the top coat. Step 2. Apply the top coat. Shake the NeverWet top coat can for 1 minute. Holding the NeverWet can approximately 6 to 12 inches away from the surface, spray the top coat using the same method as the base coat. For improved performance, additional coats can be applied, but remember to avoid soaking the surface. Wait 1 to 2 minutes between coats. NeverWet treated surfaces can be used 30 minutes after top coat is applied. However, best results are achieved when the surface dries overnight. NeverWet dries to a milky haze and may therefore change the appearance or color of some materials. Test in an inconspicuous area before applying to the entire surface. To preserve the NeverWet coating, avoid exposing treated surfaces to detergents, soaps, oils, solvents, or high-pressure water. When cleaning surfaces treated with NeverWet, use a low-pressure water spray like a garden hose and avoid scrubbing with brushes or abrasive cleaners. Water repelled, surfaces protected, NeverWet. Refer to the instructional sheet included in your kit for full project application details. Rust-Oleum NeverWet. For more information, visit rust-oleum.com/NeverWet or call 800-481-4785.